hey, I didn't see you guys over there. What's going on, everybody? We're just back out in the garage today. In today's video, we're going to install the forks back on the Ninja here. My buddy ViJay is going to be coming over to help me install them. He's a motorcycle mechanic, so he's got a little bit more knowledge of how to install stuff on a motorcycle than I do. I trust him doing it more than me doing it, just because it is the front end of the bike and it's kind of important. Yeah, so he's going to come over. I'm just waiting for him to get here. We're going to install the forks, we'll put the front tire back on, we'll put the rear tire back on, and yeah, so I got new rubber on the rims, and yes, I'll probably keep the front fairings off as well because I want to clean up the bike a little bit and whatnot. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, well, ViJay's arrived now, so we're just going to start installing the front forks on the bike. In order to install them, just basically the same process as taking them out, except you have to line everything up, and that's partly why I need him here over me trying to figure it out myself. He's done a few of them, so this will be really good. Need a 12mm socket to put the forks back in, and a 5mm hex, and yeah, so just do a little time lapse of us putting everything back together, and we'll see what it looks like when it's finished. Alright, well, we got the front wheel and forks installed here, and we also got the rear tire back on and the chain adjustment done. So the next steps, in order to line up the rear tire, you have to tighten up these bolts right here and the ones on the top, and then the ones on the other side as well. And then you have to keep your pinch bolts loose at the bottom, and you have to push down on the motorcycle, push down on the suspension, and then that helps line up the front wheel. Alright, so after doing that, now you can tighten down the pinch bolts on the front. This is a part of the thing that I wouldn't have known to do, so good to have ViJay here helping out with that, with the knowledge. Lining up forks on the front end have always been a thing that I don't really understand, so I'm glad that I have someone here that knows what they're doing. Well, the torque spec on the front axle, as crazy as it sounds, is 94 foot-pounds. The pinch bolts, I believe, are 15 foot-pounds. And the rear axle nut is 80 foot-pounds. Cool. Alright, man. Thanks a lot. Oops. Alright, well, we got the front forks back on the bike. Got the front wheel back on, got the front brake calipers back on, got the front fender back on. Also got the rear tire back on and chain adjustment done on the bike. Off camera I started it. Starting an old bike like this, and after sitting all winter, it didn't really want to start too well. The battery was also dead, so I had to charge that, but I got the bike started and she's running really good. The gas is probably a little old in it, so it's probably why it's not running the greatest, but I'll get some new fuel in it eventually. Yeah, so the bike's coming together. In the next video, I think that I'm going to put the fairings back on the bike, and I'm also going to cut that plastic off the back of the back of the tail of the bike. So yeah, in the next video I'm going to do all that type of stuff to it and get it back together, and yeah, we'll go from there. Oddly enough, when I was taking the bike apart, I noticed that like the mice were starting to build a nest in my bike, and they left something in here for me in one of the air inlets. I wonder what this could be. Oh, it's one of those notes again. It says on the note here, like and subscribe. If you like my content, please give the video a like and subscribe. It inspires me to make more content. I like making content for you guys, and yeah, so as I said, in the next video I'm going to put the plastic back on and we'll go from there. Alright, well, if you've made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Getting pretty excited about the bike, and track season's almost here, so let's go. See you on the next one. Peace! Oh, hey, I didn't see you guys over there. What's going on, everybody? We're just back out here in the garage today. Today, we're going to install the videos. We're going to install the videos on the MT10 and the XRB and the VRZ and the DRZ, and we're going to do the forks probably on this guy at some point. Maybe. I don't know. We're going to install the videos. Oh, hey, I didn't see you guys over. Take 3, 4, 5 forks. We're going to insert the forks there, okay? I don't know!